We managed to get the first class tickets, which is nice. Well, I think that's us boarding now, so. Here's the cabin. I can just about fit. Bottom bunk, top bunk, little table, sink, water. But today we are going from Bangkok to Koh Samui. Can fly there directly, but they're very expensive. So we figured we'll take the sleeper train. So we're gonna get a train to Surat Thani tonight, which is a VIP first class sleeper train. And we'll show you what that's like. And then from Surat Thani, get picked up, taken to the ferry, and ferry to Koh Samui. So overnight journey. We managed to get the first class tickets, which is nice. I'll let you know timings and prices and everything like that. So for now, we've got a few hours to kill in Bangkok. Next part of this video, we will be at the train station and ready for our journey. See you in a bit. Oh, also, hello, Darcy. Here's the girl having the hardest time in the world because she has to carry her own bag for once, because I have to carry mine and film. Not easy, is it? But here we are at Bang Sue Central Grand Station. 45 minutes before our departure. I'm gonna go find out where we need to be. The station is absolutely empty, by the way. Look at this. I feel like I've never seen a station this big with so few people, even all the way down there. Yeah, I'll get it for you. All right, this is my life. All right, okay. Mental. Right, so we're currently in the station. It's quite easy to find where you got to go, to be honest. There's a little information desk straight away when you come in. So we're currently at our gate. The train leaves in half an hour and we'll board in a minute. And then I can show you what the train's like. There's not much in the way of food and drink in the station. So if you are wanting to eat and drink, then I recommend stocking up before you get here. But yeah, easy so far. There's no stress. Massive station with very few people. I think that's us boarding now, so I'm going to stop videoing and get on this bloody well train. Bunk bed's already set up, look. Here's our private room.
Straight up.
Yeah, you get up there, my babe.
I can't get this up.
I know life's hard. Alright, let me help you. We'll come back to the video in a minute. So, as we come in, Keita is already comfortable, as you can see. Let me show you what we're working with here. So we got our own door, so we're nice and private. Here's the cabin. I can just about fit. Bottom bunk, top bunk, little table, sink, water, mirror. The only problem I've got right now is I thought there was a plug socket on here somewhere and I can't find one, but that's why you always have a power bank with you, which I have. And yeah, we've got aircon in here as well, so it's pretty decent. It's a nice comfortable little gaff. 10.5 hour journey coming up, I suppose, so see how comfortable it is. I'll have a look at the toilet and the shower soon as well, and I'll show you them. So let me fill you in. The boarding process was carnage, to be fair. You get in and there was some geezer in here and he was like, sit, and I was like, fuck me, alright, I'll sit down. She won't take my bag off. And he starts unloading these meals. I was like, oh bloody hell, we got a free meal with our train ticket. And then he was like, what did he say, like 780 baht or something?
980.
980, so like 22 quid. I was like, oh, no. So I'm not even hungry, mate. I was only accepting it because it was free. And he's like, oh, you not want? I was like, no. Took it away and he's like, you want a beer? And I was like, I'll have a beer. Put two small changs down and he was like, what did he say, 480 baht? 480, judge, I've made 10 for 2 cans. I was like, mate, nah, I don't want them. I don't even want a beer. I was only doing it to help you out. I think I ended up paying like 100 baht or something for one. Which I don't want, and it's warm, but yeah, fair play, I rate the hustle. So if you do get on here and some bloke starts giving you loads of food, it's not free, all right? Say no straight away. But we're all set up. Keita is in position. 8 p.m. now.
Yeah.
Had a little mate come around, check our tickets, and he just said we'll come and give you a wake-up call in the morning. It's a bit different to our Chiang Mai sleeper train we had last year because the bed's already set up in here. We've got the blanket, pillow, mattress topper thing. No phone charge, no sockets, but a few little storage compartments, sink and a couple of waters. So, and we've got one resident mosquito that we need to try and kill before we go to sleep, otherwise we'll wake up bitten. But other than that, how's it? Comfy or not?
Yeah, it's comfier than the last one.
Is it?
It's softer.
Softer. It's out of 10. What are we going comfort-wise? Bear in mind you're on a train.
Bearing in mind I'm on a train and I've got one cushion. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10 from Nikita. That's not bad.
It's above average.
Because she's a fucking bed snob.
Actually, 5.
5.
It's average.
It's average.
It's average, yeah.
Even though you're on a train.
I like 6.
6. It's not 5, it's 6. Either way, she'll sleep and be grand. I'm going to watch the football now for the next 45 minutes. Then I'll have a look in the toilet. And then sleep. I'll have a lovely, lovely 8 hours sleep before we arrive in Surat Thani, feeling fresh to death in the morning. Sounds about right?
Yeah.
Alright. So here we have the toilet and the shower in the same room. Do you know what? I think I'm alright for a shower tonight. Little sink in the corner. Yeah, that's us. It is nearly 11 p.m. It's quieted down a bit. No people moving around, but the train is obviously noisy, so definitely need your earplugs for this one. Keita's just reading her book up on the top bunk. I am ready for bed. I think we're probably going to get woken up about 5, maybe 5:30, I don't know. But I think the train is due to get in about 6:30, so I need to try get a few hours in now. So I don't know if that's going to go well or not, but I'll fill you in the morning, and hopefully I'll be well rested. Right, good morning. It is 7 a.m. We're currently at the office for the company that we booked the next part of our journey with. So as soon as you come out the station, there's people waiting for you. You just tell them who you booked with and they'll tell you where to go. But all the offices are pretty much next door to each other. And even if you didn't book your onward travel, you can just pay for it here. Loads of companies here that will take you to the different islands, Koh Samui, Koh Penang and Koh Tao. So yeah, you can just turn up, but we've got just over an hour until our bus picks us up. They book it a bit later because the trains can be delayed sometimes. So, but yeah, ours was on time. Keita said absolutely dreadful, worst sleep she's ever had.
But I do have a sore throat.
But she does have a sore throat, so maybe that's why.
Be prepared for a lot of aircon.
Yeah, aircon beats you from the top bunk. I slept really shit, to be fair, but I knew I was going to miss a sleeper train, so it's what it is. Quick breakfast here. They sell breakfast as well, so that was good. Then we'll get picked up, taken to the ferry, and then over to Koh Samui. So yeah, easy journey if you can deal with the lack of sleep and the getting thrown about on the bed. Just got to get on with it. But for now, time for me watermelon smoothie and wait for the pickup. So we've done the train, sat around for about an hour, would you say? About an hour. Then the bus took us to the ferry port. That bus was probably about an hour and a half, but it was mostly empty, so it was quite comfortable. They dropped us off at about 5 to 10 and gave us a ticket for 11 o'clock ferry, but we ran straight through the station, the port, and said, can we get on this ferry, because there was one ready to leave. She said yes, so we came straight through. So we're now on the vehicle ferry, which is heading straight to Koh Samui, and yeah, it's a welcome a welcome bit of fresh air that we got. So, time is 20 past 10. We left Bangkok at about 8 p.m. last night, and we are on our ferry to Koh Samui. So, pretty smooth journey so far, despite the broken sleep. Yeah, as soon as we get to Koh Samui, we'll get a taxi straight to our gaff. And then we got a whole day ahead of us, even if a certain young lady is very tired. I'm sure we'll have a fun time. Right, so we are at the hotel now. We've had a long day / night. I will now let you know all the details basically about how much we paid, who we booked it through. So the train we booked through Thai Railway directly. Their website's a bit of a ball ache if you're using like an English browser, but it does work, it's just a bit slow. The train for the first class ticket each was about £28 each. And then from there, the bus and boat was booked as a combination through one2go.asia using a company called Pantip. There's loads of different ones. We chose them because they had good reviews, and it was sound. They literally meet you off the train, take you to their office, and then sort the bus and give you the ferry ticket. And that was 400 baht per person, which is about £9. So total cost of journey from Bangkok to Koh Samui is like £36 per person. When you consider the flights were over £100 and you save a night on accommodation, I think it's a decent thing to do. If you can deal with being rocked about in the bed a little bit, it's a good experience still. Kita's just in the room now. I'll just show you, on the bed. Had enough, but a couple of nights kip in here, she'll be grand. But you know, there's so many different ways of getting to Koh Samui from Bangkok. You can get the train, you can fly to Surat Thani, you can fly direct to Koh Samui. I think it's fun doing it this way. You know, you get to experience something a bit different and sitting in an airport, because I'm done with sitting in airports. I'm so bored of it. And yeah, fun experience on the train. Just bring snacks or prepare to pay that crazy man if you want food bought from him. That's the end of it really. Definitely recommend doing it. If you've got any questions, leave a comment and I'll happily answer any. And we're going to go and enjoy our 2 weeks in Koh Samui. See you in a bit.